Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 3 power a plus 3 power a plus 3 power a equal 90 and we have to find the value of a. So let's start with today's video solution. So 3 power a plus 3 power a plus 3 power a equal 90. So we can write this as 3 times 3 power a equal 90. Now if I'll divide both sides by 3, so 3 power a equal 30. Now I am taking log on both sides. So as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So it's a log 3 equal log 30. Now if I'll divide both sides by log 3, a equal log 30 by log 3. This 30 I can write it as 10 times 3 by log 3. Now as per log rule, log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. A equal log 10 plus log 3 by log 10. So a equal log 10 by log 10 plus log 3 by log 10. This will cancel out. So a equal 1 plus log 3. Sorry, here is 3. Sorry for that mistake. So we have to write this as log 10 by log 3 plus log 3 by log 3. So a equal log 10 with base 3 plus 1. So we can write it as 1 plus log 10 with base 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.